What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix camera shutter lags in Galaxy A56. So let's start the video. First of all, open camera. On top left corner you can see the setting icon. Now click on the setting icon and then scroll down in last and click on reset settings. After reset the camera settings, then go back to your home screen and open settings and scroll down and click on apps. Now click on camera. Now here you can see the option storage. Now click on storage and then here you can clear the cache memory of your camera. After clear the cache memory of your camera, then go back and scroll down and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and open general management and scroll down and click on reset. Now click on factory data reset and then click on reset. After reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.